Hi, so we're Hinton the Trail and we would like to accept the 10 RV challenge that Eric and Cindy from Today's an Adventure Day challenged us with.
So Cindy and Eric, they put out some great videos about hiking. They are not a full-time RV couple, but they show that it doesn't really matter if you got jobs or not, you can get out, explore, and find adventure. But now, we're gonna answer 10 RV questions on our little hike today in Big Bend National Park. Okay, so question number 1.
What would you change in your current RV? Corbin?
I like to have a bigger room so that I could have a gaming room in there too.
Nice.
Kid wants a gaming room.
Dad?
I think all kids do. So on Eric and Cindy's video, Eric talked about wanting solar power and some batteries, and I'm in the same boat. I wish we had solar. I wish we had a battery bank so that we could actually boondock more and get away from things a little bit more.
I would like bigger bedroom storage. The little closets that are next to our bed, I mean, you can barely fit anything in there, much less hang anything up. And underneath the bed, there's a lot of storage, but because we upgraded our mattress, it's really hard to get in and out of.
It's a lot heavy, yeah.
You know, sleep better, less storage, we chose sleep better.
Yep.
Okay, question number 2 is, what's something that you did not expect from your RV?
Space sharing.
Or did we all kind of answer the same way?
You had the same answer. I did not.
Oh. Yeah, I thought Susanna was going to leave me after the first week because we were just crammed in such a tight space. But I mean, we figured it out now, and it's actually kind of cool. But boy, at first, space sharing was rough.
So I agree with that, but I also, the cooking challenge. Trying to cook a nice dinner, you know, or a healthy dinner in such a small space where you have to like wait 20 minutes for the oven to heat up, or you can't use the oven and the microwave at the same time, or whatever, you know, because of power issues or whatnot. So it's kind of been a challenge. We've succeeded. Instapot.
She's done awesome. So question 3 was, what is your leading factor for purchasing your latest RV or your RV? So we're actually on number 2 since we started out about 7-8 months ago. We had Dutch, and now we have Casper. And for me, the leading factor had to be, you know, something a little bit more high quality, better insulation for all season camping, because Dutch got pretty cold pretty quick. Casper does so much better in the winter, stays a little bit cooler when it's warm outside. So higher quality build.
Corbin?
Bigger than the last one.
And then mine was, Corbin actually has his own space with his own door, desk.
Yeah.
You know, he and Matt, when we have Matt, you know, they can close the door and video game it up, and, you know, it's a little bit more private for him. And, you know, he has a desk in there, which is nice. Even though he doesn't use it a whole lot for school, it is there as an option.
Yeah, so we can say, hey, go to your room, and he can go to his room, shut the door. Before it was, hey, go to bed, and he'd crawl into bed and just close the curtain. So there wasn't a lot of privacy for either side of the family.
Yep.
Yep. What's question 4?
Question number 4 is, what is your favorite meal to cook in your RV?
My favorite meal, I don't do a whole lot of cooking. Either I throw something on a grill or I make eggs. So I guess for me it's eggs. Yeah, I love eggs. What's your favorite meal?
Macaroni and cheese and PB&J.
Macaroni and
So
cheese.
he likes the instant macaroni and cheese, but he also, I do make homemade macaroni and cheese there.
That's really good. Really good.
And then mine is pretty much anything in the Instapot. My favorite, I think, would be a tie between clam chowder and chili.
Yeah, she makes a fantastic keto clam chowder. Oh man. Message her, she'll send you a recipe. It's good.
So number 5 is, what is your favorite must-see RV destination? Originally, I would have said Arches, but we've been there and it's beautiful. But I really want to see Zion.
Corbin, where do you want to go?
Alaska, there's a place in Alaska that you could see the Milky Way well.
Good. See the Milky Way. I think everybody wants that. Yep.
Yes.
I want to see Banff, but also Hinton, Alberta, which is just further up the road. You know, namesake. Go check it out. Maybe reclaim my territory. I don't know. Is that how it works?
No.
Okay. Maybe I just show up and they give me like a free ice cream cone or something.
Maybe.
Maybe. That'd be good.
Number 6. What is your favorite thing about RVing?
I got my own room.
Your own room. He did have his own room at home, but this one is mobile. He has his own mobile room. Yeah.
I like getting to see new things all the time. Every time we wake up, we're in a new place. The house is the same, but the scenery is different. I like that. I've always liked traveling.
It's kind of the same. I've always loved road trips, and this is just one 2-year-long road trip with our home. So everywhere we go, someplace new, and then we walk back into our house.
Number 7. What is your least favorite thing about RVing?
We have a small space.
Small space, yes. I do not like I mean, I like it, but it does get cramped at times, yes.
Sometimes you want to stretch your legs.
Yes, and sometimes it doesn't seem like there's enough seating, even though there truly is.
Yeah.
I don't like that not all places take reservations, and that makes it very, it's challenging and kind of unnerving. Oh gosh, we're driving someplace. Are we going to be able to stay here, or are we going to have to boondock it somewhere?
You're the only game in town. Do you take reservations or not? I think for mine it's the maintenance. And I know when you have a house, you're cutting grass and doing all those things, but this, I got to keep the black tank clean. I got to do this, and this. Sometimes you want to go enjoy stuff, and then, oh wait, I have to go get this fixed, and it is hard sometimes to get scheduled at an RV maintenance shop. I mean, you got to look like months down the road. So maintenance is tough.
It's not just that; it's the truck, because we're driving constantly. The truck needs maintenance like every month. Or an oil change like every month.
Max gets his maintenance done when it's needed.
Yep.
That's just me. I'm kind of anal about that stuff. So.
Well, we want to make sure he can drive us around.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 8. What are the must-haves for the next RV?
I want one of those long bus RVs.
He wants a Class A.
He's got to get a job and help us buy one.
Yeah. I would like a bigger bunkhouse for the boys. So maybe they're not, well, I mean, it's a bunk, but maybe there's like more bunks so Matt doesn't have to be on the top where there's no space. And then I really would like a second, like a half bath. An extra toilet would be sweet, especially with 4, sometimes 5 people.
She's the only chick with 2 guys, Life is hard. So I think I have a long list. So I do want a 5th wheel. I want a bunkhouse. I want solar. I want the batteries. I want higher quality, and I want better quality furniture. Not that foam that you sit down with and your butt's already touching the plywood that you have to replace. Just higher quality, but definitely a 5th wheel.
Number 9. What is your favorite adult beverage? Corbin?
Strawberry milk.
Love strawberry milk.
Yes. I have a tie between wine and coffee. Because I can go without the wine. I don't have to have the wine, but I can't go without the coffee. So.
Yes, she can sometimes go without the wine.
Yes, more than sometimes.
It sounded terrible. I can go without it for about a day or so, and then I get shaky. Mine, scotch. Beer, but mostly now it's scotch.
Because that's keto friendly.
And it's delicious.
Yes.
And it makes you feel all warm and fuzzy inside.
Number 10.
Dun,
Favorite
dun, dun.
indoor RV accessory?
Mine is a flat screen TV that I have in my room.
Yeah, he has a flat screen TV in his room. I think all TVs these days are flat screen, so you don't even need to say. He has a TV in his room. We don't have a TV in our room. So
But we don't watch TV in our room.
They
read.
have a giant room.
Read and sleep.
Yep. I like our specially made mattress that we got.
Yeah.
Our RV mattress that came with this new Cougar that we have was not suitable for sleeping.
It was their
It was
platinum.
Premier too. It's supposed to be fancy. So in Idaho, we were able to get one specially made.
Yep.
We laid on mattresses for like an hour trying to figure out which one we wanted, and then the guy said, come on, pick one. And we picked one, and he had it ready in like 3 days.
Yeah, they had to make it and everything, so they make it to measure your bed. It's pretty cool. We'll put their name on here.
Yeah.
Mine is our couch. Not the couch that came with either our 2 trailers.
Because those were not very comfortable.
Yeah, and this last one was really bad. We had it for a couple months, and we were starting to have some serious back pain. I had like these, looks like bowls from where we sat, and so we took that out and we replaced it with just a residential, very lightweight love seat that has 2 recliners. Put that in, and it is so much better. So right now, that's my favorite thing.
We're going to close out our 10 RV question challenge by challenging 2 other RV families.
Here's your drink, coffee. It's not wine time for her. It's Scotch time for me.
Because it's 2 o'clock.
So we have 2 great RV families that we're going to send a challenge out. So the first one is
Adventurous Way, Matt and Diana.
Yeah, so we've been watching them for a while. They're great. So they're going out to see all the national parks, and great videos. And you can see they've been getting better since the first one to where they are now. I mean, they're awesome. And Diana has been extremely helpful in helping me try to figure out some of the audio and video issues. So subscribe, follow them. They're great. But the challenge is on you guys. And our second family
is going to be Extreme Motorhoming Adventures, Andy and Michelle, over in the UK.
Yeah, so a little bit different. Susanna and I, after we're done in America, our goal is to start overseas, and watching a family be able to motorhome throughout the UK and Europe has been
inspiring. Because you know, we've always wanted to go. Well, I've been to Europe multiple times. I lived there for 10 years, but he has wanted to travel over there and see. You know, and I think motorhoming through Europe would be very cool.
Yeah,
if it's
smaller roads, smaller vehicles, but they're showing that it can be done. And so, Andy and Michelle,
we challenge you.
We challenge you as well. So good luck, and we look forward to hearing all about you and your answers to the 10 RV questions. Thank you for watching.
Adios.